How can I thicken whipping cream? I used to live in Britain and I'm familiar with using double cream, 48% plus fat, in all my recipes. However, I moved to Canada a year ago and double cream doesn't seem to exist in North America. This has resulted in many of my recipes failing with the 35% heavy whipping cream, as it doesn't whip quite thick enough, it won't hold up my cake tiers, and it goes oddly foamy in my pastries. Yet I've seen strongly thickened cream in stores and bakeries, so how are they thickening it? I've tried Googling this and have tried a few things, such as boiling the cream, and I've also tried adding cornstarch. Unless you want dry floury cream, never do this. I've also seen a couple of mentions of gelatin and stabilizers, but don't know if that's the correct direction. I'm starting to think I should buy my own cow. Any cream experts out there who can help?
Cornstarch only thickens when heated to 180 F, so it probably is not helping at all with your whipped cream. I live in the US, so I cannot compare to whipped cream in the UK. Whipped cream for cake fillings is often beaten almost to the breaking point to make the foam as thick as possible. I assume you are whipping the cream sufficiently, and it still isn't getting as thick as you would like. If that is the case, you might try stabilizing the whipped cream with gelatin. See link 1. The link is one of many I have found on a quick search, and it specifically calls for 35% cream. This long chowhound thread, see link 2, also has some interesting thoughts and advice. This OChef link, see link 3, also provides an interesting method of using creme fraiche. Add gelatin. That's what commercial thickened cream is, cream with gelatin, lightly beat to incorporate, then let it set. Beat before using, not to whipped cream level, just to get it to move smiley face. Use 1 leaf of gelatin dissolved in a tablespoon of warmed water for each pint of cream.